So you got a sharpened pencil, a virgin sheet of paper, and an empty mind. Hey guys, I'm Alice and this is the first video in my super clean studio. But unfortunately, I haven't drawn in a while because of this whole renovation thing. And now it kind of feels like, I don't know, like my artistic muscles are gone and I now got to rebuild them. So I will go with you through some of the guidelines I follow when I don't know what to draw, and hopefully there will be a nice drawing at the end of this video. The first thing I do after staring way too long at a blank page is just putting the pencil down. And sure, I know this is not easy, especially if you're a beginner artist, but the result doesn't matter. I don't care if the scribble is bad or if the proportions are off. It's all about creating the habit of getting started. Like, let me show you some of my recent sketchbook pages. These are nothing special, and that's okay. Sometimes a good idea sparks out of it, and if not, at least I gave it a try and didn't turn on Netflix right away. Next, I make a list of things I'd like to draw, even if the subject seems kinda challenging right now. So in my case, I'd like to draw something with explosions or rain, a sword fight, a cityscape or a crowd, maybe zombies or old ruins, you know, the list goes on. I could now go on and pick one of these themes or maybe combine two or maybe even all of them. That would be a sword fight in the middle of a crowd of zombies, in a cityscape of ruins on a rainy day, and something explodes. I also got a huge folder filled with drawings by artists that inspire me. I then click through them and try to understand what I like about a certain drawing and how I could implement this in my own artwork. The important thing, if you don't know what to draw and you look at others' artworks, do not have access to the internet. Like seriously, you only get lost in the realms of the internet. Trust me, I've been there. Create an inspirations folder for the bad times, guys. Alright, best practice, here we go. I followed these steps, started by filling a page and getting warm and just a little bit frustrated. I wrote down what I'd like to draw and already had some favorites and some ideas, but I still wasn't sure what to do. So I opened up my folder with the drawings from other artists, and that has helped me to come up with a thumbnail and an original idea. And now, let's start drawing! all these massive black areas was indeed kinda scary. But thank God white correction pens exist. Guys, let's hold on for a second. At this point I was nearly finished with this huge drawing. All I wanted to add were some little sprinkles of white ink to simulate tiny stars. But there was just too much ink on the brush and I messed up big time. I really wish I had a Ctrl+C button in that moment. After a while I got rid of the screen tone foil, but also some of the layers of my Presto paper. And I was really pissed off, but hey, I sat there for way too long to trash this artwork, so let's save this. Wow, that was a tough one. Now, regarding that I did not know what to draw in the beginning, I really loved the result. Yeah, I ran into a lot of mistakes, but I was able to fix them. And I personally think it's important as an artist to also share the ugly side of art. And that's why I don't cut out the scenes where I fail, because that's just part of my journey. Anyways, I hope this video encourages you to start something. And as always, Liz over and out.